Today I'm going to talk about math, the unsung hero of everyday life. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about something we all love to hate. Math. Yes, that glorious subject that haunts our dreams and makes us question our sanity. But believe it or not, math is a ninja of our daily lives. Stealthy, sometimes a bit terrifying, but always there when you least expect it. First off, let's discuss the obvious, shopping. You walk into a store with only one plan, just to buy one thing. Let's say a loaf of bread. But then, as if some magical force is at play, you find yourself in the snack aisle. Oh, look, chips! They're on sale! But buy one get one free. And now there's suddenly a math quiz, calculating whether 2 bags of chips are really better deal than one. Spoiler alert, they are! And just like that, you've spent your grocery budget on snacks instead of sustenance. Congratulations, you're now a math expert in impulse buying. Then there's cooking. You ever try to follow a recipe? It's like math with a side of chaos. 1 cup of flour becomes, oops, I spilled half a cup on the floor. Suddenly, you're not just cooking. You're an accidental scientist trying to determine the right ratio of flour to a kitchen disaster. And let's not even talk about doubling a recipe. Now, you're standing there, staring at a pile of ingredients, thinking, did I just add 5 tablespoons of salt instead of sugar? And have you ever noticed how we use math in our relationships? We're trying to figure out how much time to spend with your partner versus how much time to spend with Netflix. It's a delicate equation. If I watch 3 episodes, I can justify 1 hour of cuddling. But wait, I also need to account for snacks. That's a whole other variable. And speaking of relationships, let's talk about kids and their homework. When your child comes for you for help with their math homework, you suddenly realize you've forgotten everything since you last used algebra. Back in the Stone Age, apparently. Mom, what is 3 times plus 5 equals 20? And you're just sitting there, sweating, thinking, why didn't I pay attention in school? Where's my calculator? You're pretty sure the answer is, get a tutor. Finish. Lastly, let's not forget about budgeting. It's an evolved version of how much candy can I buy with my allowance. But instead, it's about figuring out how much you can spend on coffee before ending up living off instant ramen for the rest of the month. If I cut down on lattes, I can afford new gadgets. But what's life without daily caffeine fix? It's a math problem with existential consequences. You've grown at the thought of math, remember, it's quietly working behind the scenes of your daily life, helping you navigate everything from shopping sprees to romantic dinners. Embrace it! Because whether you're calculating your budget or figuring out how much to sneak in if you produce one more episode on Netflix, math is always there, keeping things interesting and a little bit chaotic. Thank you.